Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Allis and welcome back to my channel. If you are not new, thank you so much for watching. That's not how my intro goes. Okay, skirt, let's try that again. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Allis. If you are new and if you are not new, then thank you so much for coming back for another video. There we go. For today's video, I'm going to be doing this mint green slash brown slash mint chocolate makeup tutorial. I was really inspired by the color mint green. It's one of my favorite colors, so I just wanted to actually do a makeup tutorial on it because girl, I haven't done one on my channel, so I wanted to do that today. I absolutely love how this makeup look turned out. It reminds me so much of like those are they Andres? Andes? No, it's Andes. Andes chocolates. You guys know what I'm talking about? Do you guys, am I not making any sense? Is it one of those moments right now? Is it one of those moments that only I understand? I think it is. Okay, all right, moving on. So yeah, that's what this makeup look reminds me of. So I absolutely love how this look turned out. I think it's very fun, very fabulous. And I think if you are wearing mint green or brown, it is going to make your eyes pop, stand out, and it's just gonna be so flattering. So if you are interested in seeing how to get this makeup look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so to start off this video, I'm going to be starting with my eye primer, and I'm just going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer for this. I'm using my ring finger to blend this out because, believe it or not, my ring finger is the most gentle finger. Pretty rough a lot of times, so I find that using my ring finger is just a lot more gentle. My palette of choice is the Douce by Juvias Place palette. I'm taking this shade called Berry Mousse that you guys saw right there. It's just a really light beige shade, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid. It's just going to be a nice matte shade to start the transition. I'm just going to fluff that everywhere just to really make sure that my eyes are nice and set. Next, I'm going to grab the shade Crepes, which on camera looks really peachy, but in person it looks really brown. So I was actually really shocked, and that's why I'm making that face, because it came on so pink peachy and I wanted it to be a little bit more brown, but I figured whatever, I'm just going to work with it anyways. I'm going to be going a little bit higher than my crease just to create that illusion of a bigger eye, less hooded eye, which is what I have, a pretty hooded eye. So I'm just going to buff that in windshield wiper motions right above my crease. Next, I'm grabbing the shade Chocolate or Chocolate. I'm not really sure how you pronounce it because it doesn't have the E at the end of chocolate, so I'm going to call it Chocolate. So I'm just going to put that right on top of the shade that I've just applied, and as you can see, I'm focusing this on that fake crease that I've created for myself. This is essentially going to give me a bigger looking eye, more lid space to work with, excuse me, and I'm just going to blend that in windshield wiper motions, as you guys can see here. I cannot say that enough. I sound like a broken record, I know, but really take your time when you're blending, because that is what's going to give you a nice diffused blended look. You don't want it to look patchy. You don't want it to look like you rushed it. Really take your time when you're blending. Next, I'm grabbing Macaroons, which is that mint green, the star of the show of this look, and I'm taking this on a Morphe flat definer brush. It looks like a paintbrush, but it's actually a Morphe brush. It's really old though, and I just made sure that I wet that with some Fix Plus just to get the optimal color payoff, just to get the most out of this shade, just to really make sure that it's nice and pigmented on the eye. And as you guys can see, I'm putting this on my crease and then some. I'm taking it just a smidge higher, again, to just keep on building on that, you know, illusion of a bigger eye that I'm trying to create for myself here. And I'm just really making sure that I carve that up at the top here just to kind of give it like a cut crease look, but not really. You know what I mean? So just really take your time with this as well. You want this to be really evenly applied. Now, to save some time, I'm going to go off camera and just do a really nice wing liner with my Inglot Gel Liner. And then I'm also going to go ahead and do my falsies. I'm using the Flutter Lashes Intoxicating. And now to prime my face, I'm taking the Embryolisse Makeup Primer slash Moisturizer. And I'm just going to put that all over my face just to really get a nice even feeling canvas to work with. I've been loving this stuff, and I've been using it on my clients lately too. It's just, everybody loves this stuff when I use it on them. It's so good. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay Flawless Coverage. I forget what this foundation is called, but you saw it right there. So this is in the shade 310 Sun Beige. I'm just going to apply this all over my face, and I love, like legit, you guys, love the initial application of this foundation. It is so nice. It is so evenly covered. I don't even know how to put it into words. It's so good. It's like crack foundation in a bottle, and it comes from the drugstore, so that's great. However, I do have overall mixed emotions on the overall product. As you wear it throughout the day, I'm thinking about filming a separate video just dedicated to the foundation, so thumbs this video up if you are interested in that. But yeah, that is the foundation that I'm wearing, and as you guys can see, it is very full coverage because it instantly covers my freckles just with one pump of the foundation. So I'm just gonna blend that all over my face. Now I'm going to grab that Tarte Shape Tape again, and as you guys can see, I'm going in a little bit of a half moon triangle situation under my eyes just to really conceal any baggage and really just give myself an under eye brightening effect with this concealer. I use the shade Light Neutral in the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm also going to take some down the bridge of my nose on my chin, and I'm also going to blend that out just so that the brightness of my face is not just centered under my eyes. It can kind of be distributed on other areas of my face. To set my face, I'm using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder, and this is in the shade Banana Bread. I have a whole separate video talking about this product, so if you're interested, go ahead and check that video out. I will put it somewhere around here, but I'm just going to use this on my under eye area, down the bridge of my nose, on my chin, just pretty much anywhere where I tend to get oily. I do have oily combination skin, and in the summertime, girl, my oils are like, hello. It's me, like all over my face. For contour, I'm going to take this LA Colors I Heart Contour Kit. I haven't used this in a very long time, but I really like this contour kit and it's really affordable. So I'm just going to use this to contour my cheeks. As you guys can tell, my technique lately has been to just really apply the dark shade right across from my ear, almost from the high point of my ear directly down. Now I'm going to take this Be Fearless, Be Limitless by Real Her. This is a blush trio, and I'm taking this shade right here, and I'm just going to apply that to my cheeks, and look at the pigmentation on that. It is really, really pigmented. I really like this trio. I don't remember where I got it, but it is gorgeous. Alright, so now I'm taking this Real Techniques sculpting brush, and I really, really like this brush. It's very nice, very dense, at the same time very fluffy, if that makes sense, and it has a really nice shape to it. I'm just going to take some of that Huda Beauty baking powder, and I'm just going to use this to clean up my contour. I like to do this, and I've been doing it a lot lately just because it gives me a more chiseled out cheekbone look. I did focus the contour and the blush on the higher points of my cheeks, so as you guys can see, using this on the bottom here is just really going to help clean and carve everything out. What I'll do is I'll just place some loose powder, and then almost instantly I will dust it off. For highlight, I'm taking the Anastasia and Amrezy highlighter, and I'm just going to focus that right on my cheekbone, as you guys can see right here. But what I've been doing lately is just focusing the highlight from like the top of my cheekbone out. I'm not really bringing the highlight in towards my nose anymore how I used to. And what I do after is I just take a damp beauty sponge and I just really dab the powder into my skin, because sometimes I feel like highlight can stay with a really powdery look on the top. So if you take a wet sponge, it kind of just seeps it into your skin a little bit better. I'm taking that same highlight and just applying it to my inner tear duct. And now for the under eye area, I'm just going to grab the brown and that peachy shade from this palette again, and I'm just going to put that on my lower lash line just to smudge everything out and just to give myself a little bit more of a smoky under eye effect. And now for the last step, for lip liner, I'm using by LA Girl. This is a lip liner in the shade Sugar and Spice. And then I'm going to go over top of that with the Jordana Sweet Matte Lip Cream in the shade Cinnamon Toast. And that's pretty much going to complete this look. Alright, you guys, so that's going to complete this mint green, mint chocolate makeup tutorial. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. As always, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to the channel and keep on coming back to the channel. Hit the little red button, make it do what it has to do. Thank you so much. And yeah, you guys, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.